Alright, there's a video for 3HT about exercise 11, and I need to say some other things before we continue with it. So first I'm going to go back to the previous page. Something that you already know is you know what a frequency table is. Right? Here it says the contents in millimeters, and then it says how many times that happens. And over here you have the number of brother and sisters and how many times that happens. And then you have the number of occupants per car and how many times that happens. So 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people in a car. But sometimes you have so much data that you need to group it. So instead of saying 1 person, you have to say, okay, between 1 and 5 people in 1 car. Like they do over here. Here it says grouping data. Here they say all the data between 0 and 10, and this is excluding 10, so it includes 0, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and not 10. 10 is in the second interval over here, from 10 till 20, and then you see how many times that happens. So I'm going to go back to exercise 11, and it says here, at the entrance of a football stadium, 40 spectators were asked their age. The results are below. You have 53, 18 years old, 16 years old, etc. We need to group this, so you have to use class intervals from 0 till 10, and then from 10 till 20, and then start by tallying the spectator's age. Tallying means you just count it. So we're going to count how many times between 0 and 10 happens. So again, this is excluding 10, so 10 is not there. So we see this is all above 10, this is all above 10. Here I see a 7, right? And I think that's the only one I see now, unless I'm blind. So if you make a schedule over here, right, you say from 0 till 10, so that's going to be 1, which is also how you can tally it, because then you do it like that, right? Now we have between 10 and 20, so you can count them here. That's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I mean, I might have missed one, but I mean, you get the point. So this is going to be 11, right? And then you count the next one, and then you count the next one, and the next one, etc. So this is how you tally that. This is how you make a schedule when the data has been put into different groups. All right. So that was question A, group the data. And then draw a histogram for the group data. If you want to know what a histogram is, go back one page. This is what a histogram looked like. Right, so you just write down 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then between 0 and 10 you make a bar, and in this case that bar should be 1 high, and in this case that bar should be 11 high, and in this case you have to count it first. Right, but you get a picture that looks like that. Moving on to exercise C. Calculate what percentage of the spectators was younger than 40. Okay, so this is how you do that. It says in total there are 40 spectators, so you need to count what you have here, and then here, and here, and then you have the total number of people below 40, right? So let's just fill in something random. So I'm going to fill in 5 here, I'm going to fill in 8 here. This is just random, right? So it might not be correct. If you add it all now, then this is 12 plus 8 is 20, so this is 25. So 25 out of 40, I think everybody knows how to calculate that. You do 25 divided by 40 times 100, and then you have the percentage. But I mean, this number is probably not 25, because this one and this one, I just filled in something random there. Okay, so this was exercise 11. Hopefully you understand it by now. Thank you for watching.